I want to find out what's happening here.
She's the one at Umbrella responsible for unleashing the virus.
Seems to be evolving much faster than expected. You gotta be kidding me.
God only knows what's down here.
What the hell?
It'll be all over soon.
I'll get you, you fucker!
Ada!
Sherry, I'm coming!
I'm not handing over anything!
Jesus Christ! Who's that? You don't know what you're up
The whole
against.
place is coming down.
Damn good idea.
This is Hunk from Alpha Team.
Man, I thought you were all wiped out.
あーしんど。